Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy credits on Rocket League. This tutorial will be quick, just make sure to subscribe and also leave a like if you will find this guide useful. So all you have to do is go to your item shop, and on the item shop you will see here your credit is at the top, and now you want to go ahead and choose what you want to buy and how much credits you need. And after that, at the bottom you will see an option to buy credits, so you want to go ahead and click on that. Now you can go ahead and choose whichever you want to buy. The more you buy, the more you will save. So for example, let's choose this one, and now you will want to continue. Click yes. It will load up your order. And after this, you will see this page where you need to choose either Epic Rewards, wallet balance, or some other payment methods. Now, you want to go ahead and choose the one you like. So for example, credit card. Here you will need to enter your details like card number, name on the card, expiration date, and CVV, and also save this payment for future purposes if you want to go ahead, and you can go ahead and save it. After you will enter all of these details, you want to go ahead and click place the order, and after that your credits will be in your account. So yeah, that's pretty much it. After that, you just go ahead, click on anything you want to buy and click on purchase. So that's pretty much it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.